Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So someone sent me this question and the person is from secondary school, so he asked me to solve for harmonic mean, geometric mean and arithmetic mean. Majorly, if you check some of these secondary textbooks, you will only see the arithmetic mean. There is no harmonic mean and geometric mean unless if you are into this further mathematics textbooks. So all the mean here, they are the types of mean, that is arithmetic mean, harmonic mean and geometric mean. We also have quadratic mean and other means. And mean is one of the tools for calculating averages, which is referred to as the tool for measuring central tendency of any given population. So without wasting much of our time, let's look at this question. Calculate the arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean of the values 3, 5, 6, 6, 7, 10, and 12. So let's look at this. Number one, arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean, that is the common mean that we are using in that secondary textbook. If they ask you to calculate the mean, so that is the arithmetic mean. And this data is ungroup data. So the mean or the arithmetic mean of ungroup data is given by the formula mean, which is x bar, is given as x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 plus xn all over n. So this can also be written as 1 over n summation x I from 1 to n. So this is the formula for calculating arithmetic mean for ungroup data. So your n is the number of observations. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The n here is equal to 7. So your x1, x2, this is your x1, this is your x1, this is your x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and x7. So we're going to stop at 7, but this is the general formula for any observation you have. So we can easily calculate for mean as x bar equal to x1 is 3 plus x2 5 plus 6 x4 6 x7 x5 7 plus x6 10 plus x7 12 all over the number of observation, which is 7n. Write 7 here. So this can be, if you add everything here, to give you 49. You can use your calculator to add up. So 49 over 7. And if you divide 49 by 7, the answer is going to be 7. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is equal to 7. So that's question E. Question B is geometric harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. So, and it has its own formula as harmonic mean, simply written as HL is equal to 1, that is reciprocal of arithmetic mean, which is now 1 or n all over 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2 plus 1 over x3 plus 1 over x4 plus 1 over x5 plus 1 over x6 plus 1 over x7. So we are stopping at 7 because our n is 7. So we are going to stop at 7. N is 7. So we just substitute, which is 7 all over 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 12. So this is it. We can use our calculator to simplify everything direct. If you check your calculator, so you see something like A, in your calculator you see something like AB over CD. So you see this, that's what you are using. So you just press the number direct. So the 7 will remain first, 7 all over, so 1 over 3, you press 1, you now press this, you press 1, you press this, to give you over, to give you this, that's over, so 1 over, that is 1 over 3, so 1 over 3, then plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 10 sorry guys, plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 12. So the answer will give you 167 all over 140. So if you are still using the same calculator, you can easily press 7 direct. 7. So there is a box for answer. So you just press 7, which is the numerator. You press divided by, press divide, divided by. So this box answer, just press answer is equal to. So the answer is going to be 980 all over 167. So you can also put it in decimal fraction. So if you put it in decimal fraction, it will give you 5.8682. So you can approximate it to 5.9. So this is, or simply 6. This is your harmonic mean. So the next one now is geometric mean. How do we calculate geometric mean? Geometric mean has the formula. The formula for geometric mean is the square root or the nth root rather of the product of the solution x1 times x2 times x3 times xn. So you just multiply all the set of data, you multiply everything together, you put it inside the root. Then nth root, it depends on the number of n. If n is 2, that means you are having square root here. If n is 3, you are having cube root. If n is 4, you are having fourth root. So whatever your n is what you have here. So when you substitute direct, so this is going to be 7. Our n is 7. So put it here. So the set of observation s1 is 3 times 5 times 6 times 6 times 7 times 10 times 12. So when you multiply everything together, let's say if you multiply everything together, you have 3 times 5 times 36 times 7 times 120. So answer will be 53,600. So how do we press 7th root? So if you check your calculator, you see under this, you see something like this in your calculator. X and Y. So you may see this. If it is not, if this is not written on the keyboard in your calculator, so because we have an outer function and the inner function, if this is inside and it's not written at this button, that means it's inside. Check inside. So where you see it, that X is representing your n here. So that's the first thing you press, which is 7. You now press, if this is inside, it's not written at the keyboard, then it is inside. To enter the inside, you press shift. You press shift from your calculator. There's a box written, there's a key written shift. So when you press shift, you now press this. So shift and you press that one. To now your X will now replace 7. Then inside the root, you now write this 453,600. So the answer will be 6.4283. So you can approximate it to 6.4. So that is how to calculate the mean, the geometric mean, harmonic mean, and the arithmetic mean for this question. So guys, please help me to subscribe, share, and comment. If there's any area you want improvement, you can let us know so that we work better to make success. So don't forget to drop any topic you want us to help you with, or if you need a comment you want us to share with others, we can also help you out to make your work move faster. So I remain loyal. AkanleIsaac Formulamaths. follow me on YouTube.